Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Self-Credit Builder Honest Review. So, the easiest way to understand self is that it's not a normal loan where you get money upfront. No, that surprises a lot of people at first. Now, what actually happens though is according to explanations on Self's own site and reviews on Trustpilot even, well, is that you choose a monthly payment you're comfortable with, usually something like $25 or more, and instead of receiving that money, it gets locked away in a savings style account. That every month you make that payment on time, and those payments are reported to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So that's the whole point here, building a positive payment history. Now, a lot of people on Trustpilot here, or even on Reddit here, basically say this structure really helped them, especially if they were starting from scratch or rebuilding after credit problems. Now, many reviews mention seeing gradual credit score increases after a few months of consistent payments. Not overnight, but steady enough that it felt motivating. Now, people often say self-made credit building feels more controlled because there's no temptation to overspend, like with a credit card. But there's also some important realism to the feedback. Now, one thing that comes up repeatedly in reviews is the cost. Now, you don't get back the full amount so you paid in because there are interest charges and fees over the life of the plan. So that's not hidden, but some people say it didn't fully click until they reach the end and saw the final payout. Others mention that when the account closes, their score dips slightly, which credit experts point out is normal when trade line disappears. Now, customer feedback is another mixed area here. So BBB complaints and Reddit threads show that while many people never have issues, some run into delays getting their payout or fixing reporting errors. Now, those situations don't affect everyone, but they come up often enough that people mention patience being important here. So, when you zoom out and look at how people feel overall, well, the consensus is pretty balanced if you're going to think about it. Now, Self does what it actually says it will do, help build or rebuild credit through consistent reported payments. And many people say it worked for them when other options weren't available at the moment. Now, at the same time, it's not free though, so just keep that in mind. It's not instant, and it works best if you understand it's a long-term credit building tool rather than a shortcut here. So basically speaking here, it's a tool they use to rebuild your credit just in case you had problems before. So that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.